Hi friends, this is Vetrivel. This tutorial I will teach how to create a basics in Visual Basic .NET, how to create a program or how to develop the program in Visual Studio Basics. Visual Basics. Okay. First of all, I need to create one project. First, I am going to start all programs. I already installed Visual Studio 2010 and click the Visual Studio 2010. Now the project is running, so I'm going to file and click new and new. Inside the new I'm click the project here. Just click the project. So I have the many languages in Visual Basics, Visual Studios. Visual Studios have the right now I have C Sharp, using Visual C Sharp and other language like Visual Basic and Visual C++ and Visual F Sharp. Right now we are discussing only about Visual Basics. So first time click the Visual Basics. Inside the Visual Basic have many platforms like a Windows platform or web platform or mobile platform, anything, many platform is there. We will discuss about Windows platform right now. Windows Basics we are discussing. So click the Windows. Inside the Windows I have the many template is there. So here I am choosing the Windows Form application template or console application template. Which one you want, you can do anything. Right now we are discussing only Windows Form application. Just you have to click the Windows Form application here. So I need to this is my project location. My project location E drive in Vetrivel directory name and record project another directory. Another directory is hello world, hello directory. So I am giving the project name is hello world. This is my solution name, this is my project name, and just click OK. So because I already created this kind of name, so I'm just put hello. This is my project name and solution name is hello. So just I'm click the OK. So it will create the project for me. This is hello and this is form 1. By default it will creating the form 1. Okay, once you want to run the project, just you have to click here, click here, just click F5 or else go to debug and select start debugging, anything you want. Just I'm clicking the this icon here, it will run the form 1 applications, form 1 only by default. So you want to create another forms, then just click the your project, right click your project and go to add and click Windows form here, or else you have to go to another way, click new item. Inside a new item you have to many templates, or it will showing the all templates here. You have to categories also is there, code, data, general, web and Windows. So now I am using only Windows form. Just click the Windows form and select the Windows form application. So by default already created the form 1 here, so you want to create automatically generate the name for form 2. You want to change or modify its form as soon as your wish. So hello world, this is my form name and click add. So hello world.vb is added. So the extension of vb is a Visual Basic and you are using the C sharp, the extension should be CSS. It's not CSS, just CS. Okay, now this is, but here right now we run the debug, still the form one only will be showing. So you want to change the default form activities, so just click the project here and select the start of form and click under the application, click the start of form. You have to select the hello world here and just control S, save and run it again. So now it's showing the hello world form here. Okay guys, okay, now we will discuss about, we have to send one message for hello world, hello world. So we have the many, you have to click the toolbox here. So once sometimes the toolbox is not showing, then you have to click the toolbox, control plus W, continue with X, it will come with the toolbox, or else you have to go to view and click the toolboxes. So many option is there. By commonly it will using the most of common peoples are using this kind of tools only, so the these tools are under the common tabs. Okay, now I need to add one button here. So and expanding the button size as various, go to the properties. So or else you click and you press F4 key, it will come the properties also. Properties section text, you have to change the text of the project button. So here hello world, or just I will change click it. But this is the text only, it will showing here, but actual this text box, this button name is button 1. You will see here, you want to change that name, go to name and change it any name, Ashwarish. Okay, so now just every form have the two layout, like this is design layout, another one is coding layout. So just right click the form, empty place of the form, and click the view or F7, it will go to the coding section, and right click again to click the view design, it will going to the designing sections. Okay guys, now I'm changing control S, it will save, and click this button, double click this button, it will create the event for button click event. So what is the mean event? By default every action should be triggered once you have to click that click event. You have to move mouse on this button, this is mouse move event, and key down event, many of the events is there. So you want to see that how much of event is there available in this Visual Studio. Just click the button, right click, go to properties, inside the properties you have to event section is there, click the event. So you have to see many of the events is there, mouse move, mouse enter, mouse click, mouse capture, mouse change, location change, many of the event is available in Visual Studio already free defined. You want to create your own event also is possible, but we will discuss that kind of things is later. Now save the event, save. Okay, now double click the button here. So you want to create another event also, just go to example, you have to go to mouse over, just click the mouse over, type any name and press enter, it will create the event for you, or else you have to just leave it blank and press enter, it will create the event for you. This is mouse over, it will happen. Okay, now we will enter the values here, sorry, message box. We will create message box dot show here hello world. Hello world. Now I'm try to run the debug the project here, click it, it will showing the hello world. We will change the format of this message also is possible, we will that and all we will discuss later. Okay, so you want to mouse over event, just have to giving any name like mouse over successful, mouse over mouse over. So control S, save and click run. See, I will mouse over to this button, the message will be coming. Just nothing to click, just move the mouse to this button, the message will be coming. So this is the events, every event is triggered to the actions, that is the event based software. This is event based software like C# Visual Basic is a kind of event based software. Okay guys, we will discuss most of the things in that sessions. In further videos also we will discuss the more details. Okay, see you later.